Well, hello. Sorry, the lighting's probably bad, the angle's probably bad, but I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. I've only just opened the top and I thought, I'll turn the video on real quick. Got a little something in from Diptyque. I have two things coming from Diptyque in the near future, but I believe that this is one of the candles that I ordered, so I thought I'd just open it up. Never ordered anything from Diptyque. I ordered a candle. So the bill, candle, looks like they put a couple of samples in here, so let's see. It's very nice. Gift wrapped. Here's a little tip. When you're ordering stuff online, Chanel, Diptyque, anywhere really, when you're ordering and when you're checking out, if they have a checkbox that says this is a gift or gift box or anything like that, always check it, even if you're just getting it for yourself, because why not get a complimentary, like, nice gift box for yourself? You gotta treat yourself, man. So let's see here. That's kind of nice. Cool box. That slips off. Red box underneath. Open that up. Oh wow! Check it out, Boo Boo. That's Boo the dog. Say hi, Boo Boo. Hi, Boo Boo. Hi, Booty. Okay, all right, go away now. Go away. Let me do this. Does it smell good? Comes in this little Diptyque bag. It's a nice touch. Open her up here. Well, there. And what do I have? I got two samples. I got Tempo Eau de Parfum, which I've heard is a little bit like L'Instant de Guerlain, kind of a chocolate patchouli. And I got a sample of Eau de Menthe, which I've never tried before. Eau de Menthe Eau de Parfum. And then the main thing that I got in this order anyway is Santal. Bougie Parfumee. Bougie Parfumee. Scented candle. I don't know. I think there's a bigger size than this. I just got the regular size. This is their sandalwood candle. So I've never actually purchased or owned like a high-end candle. I've only ever bought like those wood wick ones that you get at Macy's or like this. This is my current one I've been burning. It's an oud wood wick. It's like oud and vanilla. It's pretty good. But it ain't no Diptyque. I've heard Diptyque is like the candle people. They do really good candles. I'm also interested in maybe getting one from Frederick Mall. Wow, I can smell it already. Oh, wow. That smells awesome. It's like a nice, smooth, woody, creamy sandalwood. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, there she blows. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna light it later tonight. I've got some errands to run and I don't wanna light it for a short time and then have to put it out when I leave, because you always want, the first time you burn your candle, you always wanna burn it until it's all the way melted all the way to the edge. That'll burn it all the way every single time. that you burn it, and that will help to prolong the life, and you won't get it all dug out with like wax building up around the sides. So just a little tip for you motherfuckers. So I've got another thing from Diptyque, an actual fragrance that should be coming in the coming days. So stay tuned for that. See you later.